Need to analyze payroll costs or pull data for an audit? Exporting reports from ADP gives you the raw data you need in a flexible format like Excel. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Navigate to the Reports or Analytics section of your ADP portal. Browse or search for the report you need. Common ones are Payroll Register, Employee Earnings, or Tax Summary. Select your date range and any other filters, then run the report. Once it's generated on your screen, look for the Export button, usually an Excel or CSV icon. Click it, and the file will download to your computer for further analysis. My crucial pro tip: use the Scheduled Reports feature for regular needs. If you need the same payroll register every month, schedule it to be automatically generated and emailed to you and your accountant on a specific date. It's a huge time saver. That's how you turn ADP's data into actionable business intelligence. What's your most frequently run payroll report? The register, a summary, or something else? Tell me below. For more guides that help you leverage data, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.